Omubaka wa Butambala mu kikolo gwanga olukulu Muwanga Kivumbi Addukidde mu mbuga z'amateeka ng'ayagala kalani wa Palamenti amuwa ebiteeso ebyayisibwa Palamenti gye buvuddeko. Omubaka Muwanga Kivumbi okuva bw'ati kiddiridde okujuliza omumyuka w'omukubiriza w'ekikolo gwanga olukulu Thomas Tayebwa ensonga ze ng'ayagala ono amulambike awamu n'okumulaga ku ki ekyokukola oluvannyuma lw'ensinkano gye baali bamuwadde Ssabbiiti eyise obutatuula ate nga baali bagisuubira.
Speaker, I stand to raise the same procedure. The reason why I'm insisting on it is that the very essence and necessity of us as members of Parliament is the authenticity of the resolutions and the recommendations that we make. If by extension they are shortchanged, then our well-meaning to the country is rendered useless. I have 4 resolutions that I'm following. I've followed the one of Atiak, which for all intent and material purposes was altered. I'm following the one on Vince Coffee. Right Honorable Speaker, it's a matter that I'll go to a very length to ensure that the sanctity and the authenticity of our resolutions are abided by all organs of the state.
Wabula ono omumyuka w'omukubiriza w'ekikolo gwanga olukulu Thomas Tayebwa amujuliza ekibanja kya Palamenti ekitongole nti asobola okuggyayo byonna bye yeetaaga okusinga okwesiba ku nsonga.
I will request you give me a copy of the resolution of Atiak, which you say was altered, because when such an issue, such a statement is made on the floor of Parliament, it's very close to questioning the legitimacy and integrity of this House. So I will request that you submit a copy of the altered resolution. We compare whether it's not in line with the record on Hansard.
Omubaka Kivumbi aganye okutangaaza kwa Tayebwa era n'alaga nga bw'agenda okuddukira mu mbuga z'amateeka okusobola okufuna bye yeetaaga nti kkooti ejja okumukaka okwanja ebintu bino.
I undertake one to read the report of the committee that was adopted, to lay on this table a copy of the resolution on Atiak that I have, to lay on table the Hansard of that day. Please. And I'll do it tomorrow. Please. On the second one, Right Honorable Speaker, I'm not satisfied with that answer, because the communication from Parliament to the executive is not through the Hansard. It is through a resolution that is well processed. And the clerk cannot in any way say I'm incompetent, I just downloaded then let the executive work out. So the point, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Kivumbi, that's not a language to use on our track. Let me withdraw the word incompetent. Yes. He found it not necessary to do the due diligence ought to do. Now, if we are exhausting the internal matter, and I want it on record, is that I will move to the High Court and compel him through the Public Information Act to avail me that copy. Honorable, that's your right, you can go ahead.
Ono awagiddwa ababaka abatali bamu nga nabo balaganga ensonga z'Omubaka Kivumbi bwe zisobola okugonjolerwa mu Palamenti.
His decision is to go to court and compel the clerk to provide information. But right now, Speaker, that will be a bad precedent to this House. Will it mean that every member that desires a resolution, that desires something about what we've concluded on, will need to go to court and compel the clerk? Right Honourable Speaker, wouldn't we handle this better?
The Honourable Muwanga is trying to exhaust the internal remedies which require certified copies of the Hansard, which the responsible officer, who is the clerk.
Omubaka Kivumbi yeemulugunya nti waliwo ebiteeso ebyayisibwa Palamenti wabula kalani waayo n'abikyusa omuli n'ekyokugula emigabo mu kampuni enzimbi eya Local Constructions n'ensonga endala. Yise Kigongo ku lwa Channel 44 Oleggulo.